Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna be decorating the spine here. I've already got one of them sort of started. Let me move this down just a little bit so I can see. That way I can tell whether I'm in frame. Now I've got the lace part already on here, simply because I didn't have much of that left. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the black. You just need strips of material. So what you do is you wrap it around and tie, and then you tie it again. And then you can move that over, okay? And then I'll do a white one. And it really doesn't matter too much the length because you can trim these off. Two. Okay. Then I've got a strip of the black and white. Okay. Then I'll move the lace back over. Then you start all over again with the... I just do two of each color, except for the lace, because that's all I had left. I've just got a very small piece of it left. Now you can actually add as many of these on here as you want to, but I figured two of each is plenty, really. Okay. Make sure you guys can still see that. Of course, you can do this with any material as long as you have strips of it. Okay. Sorry, wasn't in frame there. Okay. Another white strip. And then we'll trim these off when we're done. Although that's optional, you don't have to trim them off, technically speaking. But okay. So that's what it looks like not being trimmed. So that would be completely up to you as to whether or not you trimmed them. I'm going to, though, because I think it would look better. Move my little skeletons out of the way. Okay. Sorry about that. You can hear one of my dogs in the background barking. Okay. Now this one's actually trimmed a little bit longer than the other ones. I trimmed those fairly short, but figured just kind of change it up a bit. Okay. Then you can kind of spread them out and fluff them around. Okay, and then that is what you have. So just a bit of decoration. Like I said, these are movable, so you can still open your journals. And these pages are like a lot more grungier and stuff than the other ones. So we just got to decorate them now. Okay. And I've got a couple envelopes in here that Kyung had sent me. And I've got these wax seals. I've got a black one. This one's a rose. And I've got some red ones, which did not come out as good as I was hoping for, but I ran out of red. So I might use that. And I've got a black bee here, the smaller one. And I've also got a larger red one, but like I said, it didn't come out as well because I ran out of the red color. But yeah, we will work on decorating this when we come back. And making pockets and tags and stuff. I have not done that yet. Anyway, so there she is in all her glory right now. It's also optional, like if you wanted to add beads or dangles to these, you could. Okay. I may trim that off just a hair more. Yeah. There, yeah. Feel like that's a little more manageable and they kind of fluff up better. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so that is how she's looking now. So, it was just a quick video to show you how to use the fabric strips to decorate the rings, if you so choose. I mean, that's optional. You don't have to do that. You can leave the rings like they are. But I just thought, maybe for a little bit of added interest. It's also a great way to use up scraps of material. Alright guys, so that is it, and I will see you back here to do some decorating. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!